Hi, I'm Cole and welcome to our home. Today, I am sad to say that Disney's Magical Express will be retired in 2021. Yes, the free transportation from the Orlando International Airport to Disney's resorts will be coming to a close this upcoming year. Disney's official statements say vacationers have more options to choose from than ever for transportation, including ride-share services that save time and offer more flexibility to go where they want, when they want. In light of this shift, when Disney Resort hotel bookings open for stays in 2021, we will no longer offer Disney's Magical Express service for airport transportation, starting with arrivals January 1st, 2022. We will continue to operate the service for new and existing reservations made at Disney Resort hotels for arrivals through 2021. And to add to the sad news, there will also be no more extra magic hours. There will be a new service for hotel guests, however. Every day, resort guests can enter any of the Disney parks 30 minutes early. So while guests may lose some of those extra magic hours, they gain the ability to do them in every park. So what do you guys think of this information? Please leave us a comment in the comment section down below. And if you guys would like to subscribe to the channel and not miss any of our other Disney news, you can. Please also like the video and share it with your friends. But that's all for today, and until next time, from our house to yours.